the videos or not?
No, ma'am, I don't get video every single day.
See,
Yesterday I took 3 sessions through the Teams, but I did not get any videos. So I
same here.
was I was not able to upload video on my channel. What I do?
Yeah, so I don't know why this Skype is behaving this way. Doesn't know.
So we are YouTubers, so we need video. Okay, most of the
Yes.
person, they are YouTuber. They are learners as well as they are YouTuber. They are uploading video. They are recording video. They are uploading video on their channel. Okay,
Yes.
so
And to
why
you, Nanjana Srivastav. Before you, I was talking to her, but we didn't get the video. She recorded from her side, but we didn't get. Yeah, and she used, and yeah, she asked so many good questions, but unfortunately, we didn't get the video. Let us see if we get it over here or not. You can start the session, yes.
Yeah, what I do, a lot of people are not getting videos. Okay, so that's why our learners are sad, and lots of learners have left English journey just because of they are improving English and they are uploading video for their channel.
Yes.
If
So
we are not getting video, so why should he here? Why should live
so,
here? Why should you
you know,
talk?
I have left this group, Skype. They have already left. They are, trying for some other application, but team is also not compatible. I don't know much
No.
about that. Yeah.
Right. But see, I think it is remaining 1 month, and after 1 month, I think this app, Skype will be closed, will be shut down. So we don't have any way to improve. Sorry, we don't have any way to record ourselves. So it is so
Not
difficulty.
2 days left, not 1 month. On 5th of May, it will be last day. So it's going to close
How-
with 2 days only, not a month left.
I have heard, 15th May, 15th May.
Oh no, 5th May, 5th May.
Oh, only 5th May.
Yes, so only few days are left. After that, Skype will die down. Yeah.
So definitely, it is very bad news. And what will you do? We don't have any kind of option. Okay. And if you want to take session from the English Yari or any app, then we have to first lots of money. Okay.
Right, right.
So for our YouTube channel. So it is, it is so difficult. If person have money, they can take session. But the
Yes.
person they don't have money. How can they take session from the English Yari, Kamli? Because those
No,
are app very expensive.
not everybody can like work on that application. They cost, Like no, I mean to say, not everybody can pay so much. Right. Okay. Only there are few selective persons who can like connect with the English RE, and there are so many applications. But yeah, not everybody can.
Just because of co-learner, ma'am, my English was not good and I was not able to speak. I was so beginner. I was zero, and whatever I know, I have become from the zero. Okay, so
Yes, I
I am regret, after switch down, this app, what will I do? How can I improve my English and how can I go ahead? Okay,
this is very bad news. Like how the people will practice.
yeah,
Some that we need to have a laptop for to work on the Zoom. But like not every people like have laptops. So
if
because
you
you
have phone,
see on
if
that.
everyone, if you have phone, okay, then everywhere you can carry. Okay, you can keep mobile in your pocket. You can go anywhere, right? And if you have laptop, so how you can carry every passage? It is not good, right?
Right, right, right. Yeah, mobile is so handy. Wherever
Yeah.
we can connect with anybody, at any time. But with the laptops, it's not that easy. Right.
Mm, right, Right, it is so difficulty. Actually, mobile is a very small and laptop is a very big. That's why we are not able to take, anywhere.
Yeah, yeah. So
Okay,
when
okay.
did, sorry?
So, how did you spend your morning? What did you do?
Today, my sister-in-law has come from Ahmedabad today. So I
Okay.
was a bit with her, yeah. And she's like sitting in the front of me, yeah. And talking to her brother. And I'm here talking to, yeah.
Did you make, ma'am, palatable food or not?
Sorry?
Did you make palatable food, delicious food?
Yes, I made kheer, you know kheer?
Yes, I know.
Uh, Kheer and like, and the evening also I'll be making something more, Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. Hmm. So if I come to your place, so what will you make for me?
And I have to ask you like what you prefer to eat. Because she loves to have kheer, that's why I prepared. So even I have to ask you. So like Israel, what do you wish to eat? And that
Hmm.
only is, yeah.
o- Okay, according my choice, and you will cook food, right?
Yes, according to your choice.
Okay, that's great. That's great. Thank you, ma'am.
And see how
Okay.
see every time whenever I connect with you, I ask about your pigeons. So where are they? They are inside the cage.
Yeah, now you can say my pigeon are good, and weather is changing. Okay, still
Ah,
when weather you can say normal, and sometimes when I feel cold. Okay, the weather is changing, so sometimes my pigeon are good, sometimes my pigeon are not good. Okay, so they are being given medicine into the water by me. Okay,
oh,
so now my pigeon are good, and my owner brought medicine for the pigeon, and he told me that Israel, you have to take care pigeon properly, because earlier previous years my all pigeon died.
oh,
500 pigeon died, and my owner got angry on me. Okay,
500.
I don't know actually. Weather was changing, weather was changing, and I did not take properly. It was my fault. So that's why he told me, now you have become old and you know everything about the pigeon, so you try to take care pigeon very properly. That's why he brought medicine. After that he told me you should give medicine to them, and after that yeah, I give medicine to them every day.
Every day. Okay.
Yeah, every day. Yeah, at least you can say 5 days, 3 days, it's enough. And after 1 month, I will have to give again.
Okay.
Actually, it is birds. They are birds. They are very natural. They are very natural. Okay. If you don't take properly, if you don't give, feed on the time, definitely, they are sick. Okay. When you go, they don't fly. They don't fly properly. So it is
Mhm.
so difficult. So that's why I have to take care very properly, ma'am. What I do.
Okay. I want to ask you one thing. Like your name is Israel. Okay. Israel is
Okay.
also, you know very well.
Yes, yes, yes. Israel is a country name, I think. Hmm.
Yes. So I want to ask you, what is the meaning of your name? Like Israel, what does it mean? Tell me
Okay.
that.
So I'm going to tell you what a German Israel. So I am Muslim. Okay. So
Yes.
you can say angel. Angel name of is Israel. Who
Angel.
died? Yeah, and angel. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Who died the people? Who died the people?
Okay. Yeah.
God has lots of farishta. Israel has one of farishta who is very strong, who is very strong, who dies the people.
Okay.
Okay,
Got it. Yeah.
yeah.
Nice,
So
nice.
farishta, you can say angel name is you can say
Got it.
yeah.
So as you mentioned about the weather, like it's hot over there in your country. How it is? It is hot
Yeah,
nowadays.
little. little bit not hot. We can say if I say weather, so uh, temperature is 25 degrees Celsius now.
Okay, and you told me that your family is in India, right?
Right.
So, so do you have any future plans to come back?
Yes, ma'am, I am coming. That's why no, I have asked you that if I come your place, then what will
Oh,
you know make?
sorry.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm
Yeah.
coming in May. I'm coming in May. 15, 20 May. I'm coming. Okay.
Where's your Where's your family?
Yes, yes. And I will stay 3 months at my home.
Ah, but where is your home? Where it is?
Bihar, Bihar.
Bihar. Oh,
Yeah,
Bihar.
Madhubani district.
Okay, then
My just
again, after 3 or 4 months, like you have to go back.
yeah. I will have to come back here because my job is here. Okay. So what
Yes.
will I do in India? Suppose
So
if I
see, there's no shortage of like work, like the work you are doing there. Okay, so you can practice here also, whatever you are doing there. Why not in India?
actually, ma'am, this kind of work is not in India, and pigeon are not trained in India. That's why I don't want to stay in India. You know very well. And if I want to stay in India, then I will not earn. I will not earn that much money. Okay. So that's
Yes.
why I want to come here. Do you know? Suppose if you are labor and you are not educated, you are not educated person. Doesn't matter. However, your salary will be 50, 60,000 in the Gulf country,
Uh,
right?
in your
And
country, there's a hike in
yeah,
the salary.
if
Yeah.
I say about India, you are
Mhm.
educated, okay, you are engineer, okay, but you are not able to earn that much money, ma'am. 50,
Mhm.
60,000.
Yes.
Okay, so
That's why
that's
people run India to other countries.
Right, right. And lots of Indian people, are living in Kuwait, Bahrain, Qatar, Dubai, just because of job. Okay.
Yeah.
I don't want to settle in Arab country because if I say being an Indian, so my India is very beautiful. Okay. I
Of
want to
course.
save money. After saving money, I want to start any business in my India.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Because India is a very freedom country. We can go anywhere. Okay.
Yes, we have the freedom in it, right?
But Kuwait. So
Yes.
I am in prison. I am in prison. I can't
Prison.
I can't go anywhere without permission. So it is so
I
difficult.
yeah, I know that. For each and everything, you need to have a permission.
Yeah, without permission you can't go. If you go without permission, then you will be arrested, ma'am, by the police. Okay, so it is so difficulty, and sometimes I regret. Oh my God, if I had money, so I wouldn't be here, and I wouldn't be in the Kuwait
Yeah,
because
but
I mean,
many people are there, from India. Like as you mentioned, the countries like Qatar, Oman, Iraq. There are many Indians over there working there just because of the money, because they have a good salary over there.
yeah, yeah, just because of salary, ma'am. You know,
Yes.
you will not earn. We will not earn that much money after 5, 10 years. But if you stay only 2 years in the Gulf country, okay, then you will earn lots of money, and you can do anything, ma'am. If you want to do anything, then you can do anything. Because
And
if you then you can do anything, right? You can purchase land, you can get your house built, okay. You can purchase flight, you can become this is a chance you can become a rich person, right?
and it's how many years that you are there in that country? It's been how long?
Actually, I have been living in the Kuwait for last 10 years, okay.
Ten
But
years.
every 2 years, and I go to my home, and I stay 3 months, 4 months. After that, I have to come back.
Mhm. Okay.
Okay.
So did your family they came to your place also sometime? Did they come there?
Yeah, repeat again, ma'am.
Asking you your family. Did they visit your place? कभी आपके पास आए हैं वो लोग? आपकी family? No.
No, You know, my all family, my all family, they want to visit here. Okay, but if they want to come here, the before coming here, I want to purchase visa for them, and visa are not cheap, ma'am. Visa are it's very expensive. Yeah, very expensive. So if
Really?
you call, I can call. Okay, but I will have to spend lots of money. To
Oh,
3 lakh. Yeah,
it
to
takes.
3 lakh so that I can call. Okay. That's why I don't want to call and saving money. After that, I will start any business on my India.
Yes, you can.
Hmm.
Israel, let's see whether we are getting the video or not. If we are getting the video, suppose if we get the video, then I'll make conversation with you for 10 minutes after this. Because even
Oh,
I don't have video, even I don't have any video. So I was
and
sitting here long time watching somebody to.
day before yesterday, I did not upload on my channel video. Yesterday, I did not upload any video on my channel. What I do?
Yeah, same here. Yeah.
Oh, the first we check, huh?
Yeah, let us check. If we are getting the video, then definitely I'll call you back. Otherwise not. Right? Yeah, okay. Okay, okay. Bye.